Kaladan ka jingtua kyndewktieh ka bajur bahas nang Kuliang East Giant Hills District, bat ka kyndewktieh ki mau ki bahe, bat ki dieng ki la sentuit nalorlum bat ka lanti, ya ki kali ki bayat lang ba na ka surok National Highway ha ka tegatan. Kani ka jingja kala jam ta ka sngi ha ka por kumban riu siteng mynstep, bat kat hado batok ya kani pelat ya kani ka kubur, ki kali ki dang sahkut bat yang lain ha surok, namar ki mlaj chu banyat na ka tega surok. KMLA jangka suteng Saipung constituency, kakong Santa Mary Shala, Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hills District, Shivaj Awasti IAS, Superintendent of Police East Giant Hills District, Giri Prasad IPS, lambat ki he jangka nahai bakantup, Project Director Anand Singh Chauhan, bat consultant jangka nahai Vijay Solanki, mentakasingi kila her jurip ya ka surok National Highway hakathan narpo, bat kilalap bat saki ya kejing sni ko surok kapala long shabapalan. Balalap ru ya ke jing tua kyndeu hagi babon ki jaka hagani ke jing le jurip jongki haga jukapon kilalap ru ya ke ni ke jing tua kyndeu ka balaja ha Kuliang haga ba ka kyndewktieh ki mau ki ding kilaka lanti ya ke surok banyat ki kali lalap ru bawat hadu kat ni ke jing jur ke te ke jing tua kyndeu ha Kuliang hanrai ke National Highway Authority of India kala pentrai tang ka wei ke JCB ka ba penkhut ya ka kyndewktieh bat ki mau kani ke jing pentrai tang ka wei ke JCB ka bo jing bha namar kan chimpor slam ban penkhut ya kani ka kyndeu kumjuru Nagaliang UDC bat ka MLA kila patha ya ki he jangka nahai bagi dai ban bo bontli ki JCB ki excavator khnang ban dupla ban penkhut kloi ya ka kyndeu ka batwa bat ka ba sata hasurok Nagaliang USP Giri Prasad ulaong bola dep patha ki pulit jangka rata syara bat ki pulit jangka omkiang bakin penpai no yi kali bakin yat no nakawai galanti la da donlat na marga ni jing tua kyndeu kanang la ban jabyang la da ja bahap slap kumjuru ukentu yagi banyak kali hagategatan bagi dai ban long pikir bat long adkar bha ha banyak kali bat tang sudap man penkhut ya kani ka kyndewktieh yagi mau yagi dieng ki kali kin sala banyak lang ba na kani ka surok.
We are here for the inspection of NH-6 with NH department NHAI, our DC sir from East Giant Hills and SP sir from East Giant Hills. We've come here to inspect the road. We have seen that the landslide that happened here in Kuliang is very massive. So I think for the public, they have to just be patient because it will take another 3-4 hours to clear up the landslide. And I understand the pain and the suffering of our people is due to this road condition and also because of the natural disaster and the calamities that is happening. We have been seeing all the way from the NH-6, we have been crossing the road. All over there's water in all the roads, in all the bridges. Now the bridges will not be able to, to rectify it at the moment, but it will take time, maybe in another 4 months, as been said by the PD of NHAI. So the process of the paperwork is going on, and we hope that by the winter season that things will be much better. But by seeing the work of the contractor, there's a little improvement that they have done from Lumshunong to all the way this side. So I hope that in the next few months that this road should be rectified and people can move as accordingly. And also we are not able to go all the way to Ratachara and Malada because of the landslide. We are stuck here, and you can see our people here. They're all waiting here for the landslide to be clear from our side. So that is all that we wanted to say, and I urge our people and my people in the constituency, especially the Mawphor people, that be patient. We understand your suffering, and this the weather has hampered a lot and losses a lot for the people and for the government as a whole. We urge that please be patient, and we hope that whatever matters, your concern is my concern also. So we just hope that please be patient, and then things will move accordingly as the contractor works are going on, and also that we hope that by the next 2-3 months things should be resolved.
So regarding this landslide which occurred in Kuliang today early morning, so we have made traffic arrangements accordingly. So we informed in charge of Ratachara and Umkyang to divert all the heavy vehicles coming from Assam to alternate routes, And also we have published in the media also that all the commuters of NH-6 shall travel with caution and avoid taking this route for time being till the debris is cleared.
Been receiving multiple reports recently of various landslides and traffic jam due to that, especially between the stretch from Lumshnong to Kuliang. And especially this year in Kuliang, there have been multiple landslides. Every week we are getting news reports and reports from the locals of the landslides. So today we have come for the joint inspection of this whole stretch and especially the landslide prone areas along with the project director of NHAI, Honorable MLA and SP. So we are in touch with NHAI. We have seen few issues here. We need to put more JCBs, especially in the Kuliang area. So we have already issued directions that from now onwards we have to put one JCB and at least one excavator from both sides, so that because this mudslide will continue to go on, so as and when there is heavy rain, so these can be the traffic movement can be started immediately. So otherwise also we have seen some drains in the Lumshnong area where the work has already started because the rain is continuously happening. So whatever temporary works can be undertaken for immediate relief to the public, the direction have already been issued to the NHAI.
Yesterday night and today morning, there is a tunnel area, Sonapur area, and there are frequently 3-4 landslide happened early morning. So we have deployed our machinery here in this stretch. There are 2 excavators and 3 JCBs are working at present. Only, yeah. And other these are for removing of landslides. Other is working as filling of GSB or granular material on the road because there are some potholes, big potholes are there. So actually due to this heavy rain, some more machinery will be required. Yeah. Due to this heavy rain, more machinery will be required. I am arranging for that machinery through contractor. We are unable to do the work at that pace, and bituminous work and concrete work can't be done in this heavy rain. But I think from mid of September we will start the bituminous and concrete work. That work is going on in Kuliang. It is a frequent landslide happens here, but as per direction of DC, we are deploying more machinery here at this place. There are 2-3 places where frequently landslide happens. We are moving more machinery for that places. And this landslide will be clear within 2 hours because one excavator is also coming here to remove this landslide. We have provided room pipe culvert to flow
Inside.
Yeah, inside this to flow of water and movement of the traffic. After rainy season, from next month.
Do you think the pipe will stand with the huge water that comes from outside?
No, it will not stand. But for time being, just for rainy season, because in rainy season we can't construct culvert because we will have to stop the traffic. Okay. After 1 month, when rain will slow and there will be no rain, then we can plan construction of main culvert. Yeah, just 2 months back, there was a water which came out from this hill and destroyed that existing culvert. So now diversion has been provided on this stretch. After rain, proper culvert will be provided here. It will take a
shit there. Put the thing in there. Squeeze it.